Fluffy Girl Nation is a movement.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
FluffyGirl Gang, welcome back to another video. You guys, I'm doing something that I don't do today. So yes, as seen in the title, I'm baking a cake, but not just any cake, a honey bun pound cake. Before we get any further into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click the bell on all to be notified so you can see everything. Y'all been sleeping on your girl like Z. Wake up. Don't just be like, oh yeah, I watch your video. Alright, hit the like button. Like that mother. Comment. Put some comments down there. Not, oh hey girl. No, comment what you think that I'm doing. Like if I can be doing something better. You want to come join me, jump in my video, you know, whatever the case may be, just, yeah, hit me up. I'm not mean at all. I'm friendly as ever, you feel me? And I welcome any and everybody to come hang with me. But anywho, y'all catch this bacon beat.
You know I need it, why not just feed it? Can't you see I'm here, now I proceed. Won't you let me know, let your feelings show. Listen to me flow while I'm in the studio. Now can't you see that I want some Hennessy? But first I gotta ask you, do you really feel me?
Yeah, I know y'all like to jam with me because I like to jam. Okay, so this is my first time in a long time trying to bake a cake. Like I say, I'm not a baker. I might bake pies, sweet potato pies, sweet potato pies. But I do not bake. I'm not the baker in the family. I cook, but I don't bake. So y'all come along with me. This is a recipe that I got off of YouTube, but they was doing cakes. Everybody that I seen do it. Of course, you know, YouTube show a lot of videos and stuff, and I came across a honey bun pound cake. I'm gonna try to make it. I mean a honey bun cake, but I'm gonna try to make it. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Okay, so I have my yellow cake mix, 15 ounce. I have 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of oil, water, and that is 1/3 cup of water, 8 ounce of sour cream. Then I have for my brown sugar, that is 1 cup of brown sugar. This don't look like 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because I made a mistake and used teaspoon on my measuring. So guys, just make sure y'all paying attention. I have my 1.5 cups of the sugar, and of course I'm going to use this 1 tablespoon of milk. You just need about 2 or 3 tablespoons of this, but we'll get into this stuff later. Let's start with mixing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this in here. Now normally the yellow cake mix already have instructions on the box, but for this honey bun cake or honey bun pound cake, it don't even have, I mean the ingredients is different. So y'all can tell I don't know what I'm doing, right? I'm gonna pour this oil in here. I'm gonna add this water. I'm gonna crack these eggs. This is fun, guys, because I'm nervous. Like, I hope it's good. I'm gonna try it, but I made it for my bae, right? Because Thanksgiving is coming up, and he kind of tired of me just baking pies. Well, he not tired of me, but yeah, he tired of pies for right now. So I said, okay, let me try something different. Let me try something different. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this sour cream in here. Y'all. Ew. And then I'm gonna use this because it's gonna be my first time.
A few moments later.
Who wanna lick the spoon? This is a lot, y'all. Okay, so now I have the brown sugar. Before I pour the cake batter into my pan, I need to use some Pam or something like that to spray the pan down. But I gotta mix this up, so flicker the wrist, okay?
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Ladies, y'all know how to use them wrists, okay? You know how to. I definitely smell the cinnamon. And to be honest, because I made that mistake, y'all, don't make the mistake like me. Like I said, you're supposed to use 1 tablespoon, not teaspoon. I probably had to add some more brown sugar. I might have to add just a little bit more brown sugar to get it like where I need it to be. Cause y'all see that? Can y'all see that? That look like nothing but straight cinnamon, right? I'm gonna just add me a little bit more brown sugar. Okay, so I added more brown sugar, y'all. Cause it was looking a little similar to me. Similar to me. Similar to me. So now, let's spray the pan. This stuff smells like popcorn butter, y'all. I lie to you not. And now, they say add a little bit of batter. A little bit of batter. Like half of it. And then add the rest later. So let's see. Okay, this should be good. I'm gonna tell you, making a pound cake version of this honey bun cake, to me is a little bit more easier because everybody else had to stretch it out and all that stuff. And you know, I was yelling in the camera like, get the corners, get the corners. But with this one, you don't even need to do all that. guys, so I am back, right? And I got this, you know, they use this for gravy, but I'm gonna use it once I mix all this up to make some glaze. I'm gonna pour it in here, so when the cake come out, I can just ooze it on top. I know, fat girl stuff, right? But I need 2 tablespoons or 3 of this delicious whole milk. You guys, look at this. Look at this. It's still hot. So why it's still hot? I'm going to put it on this cooling rack. And I'm going to ooze it and then let it sit to cool off. Okay? So, give me a minute. I'll be back. You guys, look at this cake.
I need it!
I'm like excited. I just hope that it really tastes good. I'm gonna just ooze this all over it. While it's still hot, I'll let it cool down. I should have made it thicker, right? But that looked good. What y'all think? That look good? I'm gonna let it cool down some before I try it. Y'all can comment down below like, girl, you just fucking this cake up. Or be like, no, you doing a good job. I mean, give your feedback. I ain't scared. I should have let it cool down, but I want the glaze to like melt into it. I might add a little bit more glaze. To me, this look good. Alright, you guys, so I had to redeem myself, right? And make some more glaze, because the first glaze I messed up. But this is the beauty of having your own place and making your own mistakes. You can go back and fix them. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Y'all want some? Y'all can have some. Comment down below. You want some? I'll ship you a piece. You can come over and get a piece. Look good, right? I had to blow. I'm ready to eat it now. I'm ready to eat. Alright, y'all. Let's taste this. I don't know, guys. I think I messed up. And then it didn't even cool down because I'm just ready to eat it now. Yeah, I ain't let this cool down, y'all. I really didn't. It's so good. It looks so good. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, y'all. What? Y'all, I didn't think this was gonna be good like this. Because I didn't wait for it to cool down, y'all. It tastes like pancakes or warm cinnamon buns, right? Warm cinnamon buns. Oh my gosh. Y'all gotta make this. Y'all can make a pound cake. You feel me? Make pound cake, make a regular flat cake, whatever. Y'all just gotta do this for Thanksgiving and Christmas this year. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for cooking with me. Like I said, I made a couple mistakes. cooking this cake. But when I tell y'all, it is good. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I baked the cake. Yes. Make sure you guys love yourself while loving others. Be kind to one another. Drop comments. Do not be scared to leave me a comment. Hit the like button. You watch my videos, hit the like button, okay? Don't just watch them. I appreciate you just watching them, but get more involved. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Bake this cake. Try it. You can't mess this cake up. Even when you think you messing it up, you cannot mess this up, guys, okay? Like, this is good. And after you get finished eating it, make sure you go brush your teeth. You know, cavities. Wash your face, say your prayers. You say